That was so cool. Another wall collapse. It was a big one, guys. It was a big one. Yeah, I mean, he just waited for us to be in the correct spot and then just dropped it. It's a DJI FPV. It's basically it's what he's good for. Yeah, I mean, just because I use like when you buy the DJI FPV drone, you get this goggles headset with it, and I use that headset for all the other FPV drones that I have. So if I want to sell the DJI FPV drone, I'm of course not selling a headset because I use that one. But no one can buy a drone without the headset, and they don't want to spend a lot of money on buying the headset for a drone. So yeah, it's like a very annoying situation. Ooh, did you guys see that clump fall in? Oh, this was cool. I was too busy ranting about this drone to. Tina just stumbled across my live stream. That's great. It's awesome. Thank you, YouTube, and welcome, Tina. Um, we are doing a lot of streaming here, a lot of volcano streaming, only from drones. I did have some great popcorn in my layover in the US when I was there. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Holy moly! This is what we've been waiting for. What? The whole edge just came crumbling down. Whoa! I think this was the biggest one so far that we saw on the stream. Whew! What's the timestamp here? Yeah, the screenshot it. This one was epic. Epic. Whew, I can't wait to see it again. Oh, and it's just gone like that. Oh, this was so cool. Oh, this was really cool.